everyone, and welcome back to Daily Life English. I'm Amma, and I'm so happy to have you here today.
Hi guys, I'm Peng, and today we're going to talk about something super common, something we all do every single day, our morning routine.
Exactly. We'll share how we usually start our mornings, what habits we have, and some useful English expressions you can use to describe your own routine.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our Daily Life English YouTube channel. Like, comment, and share if you enjoy learning with us. Your support really helps our channel grow.
All right, let's get into today's topic, talking about your morning routine. So, Peng, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Honestly, the first thing I do is hit the snooze button. You know when the alarm rings and you just want 5 more minutes of sleep?
Oh, yes. To hit the snooze button. That means to delay your alarm, right?
Exactly. I press snooze maybe 2 or 3 times before I actually get up.
That's relatable. I try not to do that because I feel more tired when I snooze too much. When my alarm rings, I usually get up right away, stretch a little, and drink a glass of water.
Oh, that's healthy. Stretching helps you wake up your body, and drinking water first thing in the morning is good for your system.
Right. It helps me feel refreshed. Then I usually make my bed. That's one of my morning habits. Making the bed makes me feel organized.
Nice. I sometimes skip that when I'm in a hurry, but I know it's a good habit.
So, after that, what's next in your routine, Peng?
After finally getting out of bed, I go straight to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face. That's my must-do every morning.
Of course. To brush your teeth means cleaning your teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. And wash your face just means using water or face wash to feel awake.
Right. And sometimes I also take a quick shower if I feel sleepy.
A quick shower, so not a long one, maybe 5 minutes?
Yeah, just a short one, mostly with cool water to wake me up. What about you, Amma? Do you shower in the morning or at night?
Usually in the morning, especially when I have to go out. It makes me feel clean and ready for the day.
Makes sense. After I finish in the bathroom, I prepare breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread with peanut butter, or I just grab a banana and coffee.
Oh, so your breakfast is light. I like that word, grab. It means to take quickly, right?
Yes, exactly. When I say I grab a banana, it means I take it quickly, maybe because I'm in a hurry.
Nice example. I usually cook something small, like eggs or oatmeal. I think breakfast gives me energy to start the day.
True. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Do you eat while checking your phone, or do you sit quietly?
I try not to check my phone, but sometimes I scroll through messages or news.
Yeah, I also do that. It's kind of a modern habit. Sometimes I watch short videos while eating.
We all do that, I think. So, after breakfast, do you start working right away?
Not immediately. I usually plan my day first. I check my to-do list or write down the tasks I need to finish.
Ah, to-do list. That's a good expression. It means a list of things you want to do that day.
Right. I write something like, answer emails, go grocery shopping, record podcast.
Nice. I also like to spend a few minutes journaling, writing my thoughts or goals for the day. It helps me stay focused and positive.
That's a great idea. I should try that. Do you also meditate?
Sometimes. Yes. I close my eyes and take deep breaths for about 5 minutes. Meditation helps me relax before the busy day starts.
Cool. So after journaling and meditating, do you start working or teaching?
Yes, I start preparing lessons or checking emails. Sometimes I teach online classes, so I make sure my background looks tidy.
Right. Tidy means clean and organized. I do the same before video meetings.
Exactly. I think environment affects our mood, especially in the morning.
Totally agree. If my desk is messy, I can't focus, so cleaning up before work helps me think clearly.
That's a good point. And I like to play soft music in the background. It makes my morning more peaceful.
Oh, I do that too. Sometimes jazz or acoustic music. It really sets the mood.
By the way, how long does your whole morning routine take, Peng?
Let's see. From waking up to starting work, maybe 1 hour? If I don't oversleep.
Oversleep means you sleep longer than you planned, right?
Yes, exactly. When I oversleep, I have to rush everything.
That happens to me too sometimes. But I try to go to bed early so I can wake up fresh.
Good habit. Going to bed early is part of a good morning routine, actually, because the night before matters too.
That's true. A good morning starts with good preparation the night before.
So true. I sometimes prepare my clothes at night so I don't waste time choosing in the morning.
Oh, yes, that's smart. I do that too. I pick my outfit before going to sleep.
That helps a lot. Also, setting the alarm at the right time. Not too early, not too late.
Exactly. Some people even set 2 alarms, one for waking up and one as a backup.
I'm one of those people.
So, Peng, if someone wants to describe their morning routine in English, what expressions can they use?
Good question. They can start sentences like, I usually wake up at. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I have breakfast. I get dressed and go to work. Those are simple and natural.
Yes, and you can also add time expressions like at 7 o'clock or around 8:30. For example, I usually wake up at 7 and have breakfast around 8.
That's right. You can also use connectors to make it smoother, like after that, then, or next.
Exactly. For example, I wake up at 6. Then I stretch. After that, I drink coffee.
Very natural and clear. Perfect for small talk, too. If someone asks, "What's your morning routine?" you can just share a few sentences like that.
Yes, it's great for conversations at school, at work, or in English class.
By the way, do you ever skip breakfast when you're late?
Sometimes I just drink coffee and eat something small later. How about you?
Same here. But when I skip breakfast, I always feel hungry by 10 o'clock.
Me too. That's why I try to eat something even if it's small.
That's smart. Okay, let's review some of the useful expressions we used today.
Good idea. So we said, hit the snooze button to delay your alarm, make the bed to arrange your blanket and pillows neatly, grab breakfast to take food quickly, oversleep to sleep longer than planned, and tidy up to clean or organize your space. To-do list, a list of tasks for the day. Stretch, move your body to loosen your muscles after waking up.
Perfect. Those are all great phrases to describe a morning routine.
All right, I think we've covered a lot today.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed listening and learned some new ways to talk about your morning routine in English.
If you did, please remember to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our Daily Life English channel. Your feedback really helps us keep creating fun learning content.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Keep practicing English every day, and maybe share your own morning routine in the comments.
That's a great idea. We'd love to read them.
All right, everyone, have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are.
Take care and see you in the next episode of Daily Life English.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye, Emma, and bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.